This is Rakesh Chaudhary. Now I am explaining about ninth experiment in computer networks. The title of this experiment is Intra and Inter-VLAN routing. The aim of this experiment is to design a network topology and configure Intra and Inter-VLAN using packet tracer and test the connectivity between all the hosts in every VLAN. Description. The description of the experiment is a virtual local area network is a network technology used to logically separate large broadcast domains. Virtual local area network divide broadcast domains in a local area network environment. Whenever hosts in one virtual local area network need to communicate with hosts in another VLAN, the traffic must be routed between them. This is known as inter-VLAN routing. Now intra-VLAN routing. By default, all the switch ports are in virtual local area network 1, as the single broadcast domain is divided into multiple broadcast domains. Routers are layer 3. Switchers are used for intercommunication between the different VLANs. The process of intercommunication of the different VLANs is known as inter-VLAN routing. Now I need to explain about the procedure, how the things do in packet tracer. First, configure IP addressing on the host PCs. Second is configure routers interfaces. Configure the routers to install the VLAN configuration in the switch and router. Test and verify the configurations. This is the procedure of this experiment. Now configuration commands. In intra VLAN routing commands, switch in brackets configuration hash VLAN 10, switch configuration dash VLAN close the brackets hash name faculty, switch open brackets configure dash if close bracket hash switch port mode access, switch open bracket configure dash if close bracket if switch port access VLAN 10. Inter-VLAN routing. AS1 configure hash interface fast Ethernet 0 or 1 as 1 configuration if switch port mode access. AS1 configuration if switch port access VLAN 20. AS1 configuration if hash exit. AS1 configuration hash interface fast Ethernet 0/2. Like that, we have to give fast interface next switch port, the next exit call. These are the 4 steps: fast interface, second switch port, third switch port, next exit call. Like that, interface we have to change 0 to 1, 0 to 0, 0, 0, 1. Like that we have to change. This is the topology diagram of ninth experiment. This shows us intra and inter-VLAN routing. These are the PCs. These are the switch ports, router. These are the PCs. This is VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. See, in this uh, IP address is changing. VLAN 10 172.17.10.21 bar 24. In this 172.17.10.24 in like this we need to done the experiment like this way. Uh, if you want VLAN intra-VLAN topology, PC uh, PC and switch and VLAN like that to change. If we need to show the uh, uh, discuss about the addressing table, first we have to draw a box. In first column, device, interface, IP address, subnet mask, default gateway. S0 in device. Uh, interface. Int FA0 bar 1 IP address 172.170.10.21/24. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Default gateway NA. This is known fact. In S2, uh, in S2, int FA0 bar 1 IP address 172.170.10.24/24. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Default gateway NA. In interface, in S2 only there is another one. Int FA1 bar 1 172.17.20.25.25 bar 24. Subnet mask as it is same. Default gateway NA. RO FA0 bar 0 dot 10 IP address 172.17.20.1. If here in interface 0.10 means in IP address 10.1. In interface 0.20 means in IP address 20.1 like that. As it is after that all same. Next device PC1, PC2, PC3. Interface NIC, IP address for PC1 172.17.10.22 subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Default gateway 172.17.10.1. Like that PC2 same IP address last 10.23. In PC3 30.24. Subnet mask is same for all. Default gateway for PC2 172.17.20.1. In PC3 default gateway 172.17.30.1. This is the addressing table. If you want the output fast fire last status like that it will come. The result of this experiment hence to design a network topology and configure intra and inter-VLAN using packet tracer and test the connectivity between all the hosts in every VLAN is executed and verified successfully. This is what we have done. We configure intra and inter-VLAN using packet tracer, test the connectivity between all the hosts. This is the ninth experiment.